Good morning, everybody. Can you hear me? Yes? Yeah, sufficiently? Very good. Okay, there we go. Okay, so today is it's a session about kind of an incredibly difficult title, so I shortened the title into B2B2X security. The X stands for, so B2B, everybody knows what I mean, right? A business to business. But then in the end, the business will also need to go to either workforce, then becomes B2B2E of enterprise, or B2B2C, which is a customer, or B2B2B, and now we're talking about other businesses, meaning partners, suppliers, and what have you. Now,